here. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate all of you. Shawtee. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. It really helps me a lot. Don't forget to check out my website, paradoxastrology.com. Book your consultation today. I can help you with anything. And if you would like exclusive occult videos, please consider subscribing to my Patreon or YouTube members. It really helps to support this channel. Okay, so just a quick video about Saturn-Neptune conjunction that will be happening this month exactly. So this is a very slow moving conjunction. So it happens over many years. They say about 4 years. This is a reality check, and it helps people see behind the illusion and what I believe is used for a great reset. So many people are going to make videos about this, but the reason I'm making a video about this is because I don't think people are taking into account that history has been changed and there's a false history at play. And last time they've reset us, well, we'll talk about it, is when a regime changed. So that's what this is. It's a regime change where people wake up and there's some kind of awakening, but it's hijacked by the powers that be. It's when the rose-colored glasses come off and people start questioning everything in the world, all the structures, the authority figures, the government, religion, its leaders, spirituality, astrology. What is spirituality? What is astrology? What is karma? I'm telling you this as an astrologer. The awakenings that I've been having have made me question astrology as well, the way it's being done and how it's been pushed almost like religion as well. But a mass movement emerges, and this was the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989, the start of also the World Wide Web, and this is the AI, and the World Wide Web was created by the CIA. Now it's also the fall of the communism. Europe can see an awakening to the dictatorship that it's been experiencing as well. At that time, there's also an Exxon oil spill. This is Saturn, and that could definitely happen again, but also San Francisco earthquake. This is very possible because it can greatly affect the US. It's in its 4th house. And the homeland, an agenda at play to change history, but also Saturn is the lord of its 2nd house of money and 3rd house of trade and travel in neighboring countries. So a wake-up call to financial problems with the US and trade. But people will talk about that. But let's look back to November 28, 1809. Now, we had a Saturn-Neptune conjunction in Scorpio. In 1810 was a year of great fires all across the world, which is known in occult groups as the Great Reset of Tataria. And buildings and genealogy were burned to the ground. And so was the White House at this time. The stone melted when it didn't make any sense at all. All simultaneously, all across the world, it started happening, which destroyed the genealogy, the archives. This is why some say most people can't trace back their lineage to only 3 to 4 generations, and that's it. This is a conspiracy theory, and we all know how conspiracy theories are very true, that we had very advanced technology, but there were some kind of mud floods, and some say that there was some kind of energy weapon that was used to destroy these old structures, and we had to start over. They say also that the kings and queens that we have are not the original kings and queens, but they were replaced. And this is also why you see architecture that we cannot reproduce currently, because it is so detailed and we don't even have the ability to reproduce this. If you live anywhere near a city, look near a city, and you're going to see these buildings, these churches and everything that are so beautiful. And look at how we're making our architecture now. We can't even build it. We don't even know how it was built. That's because this was Tataria, where we had free energy, where we had advanced technology, but it was reset during this time of this Saturn and this Neptune conjunction. And look what's happening now. Things are being reset. Neptune entered Pisces in 2023, and that's when we had the Maui fires. And along with other temples were destroyed in the Maui fires, resulting in the loss of community records. So the records were destroyed. There was also another temple, March 2025, which destroyed 20 of 30 buildings in South Korea as well. And then the royal genealogy records were gone, were destroyed. And then there was a Buddhist temple in the US in December 2023 and January 2024. There was a 2-alarm fire in a basement and would house documenting the lives of Japanese Americans, including records from World War I, which were destroyed in a fire. And in November 2025, there was a fire also in China, which destroyed part of a historic site as well. These are just some examples. I remember even when I was living in Toronto during COVID, they started changing everything. They started changing the street names, and history was being rewritten. Remember, they were getting rid of statues and all of that, but they were claiming it was because of racism. No, it's because they change everything and they change our history. So we never know what our history is. And this is why I tell astrologers, you need to actually research if your history is correct or not. There's a lot of people that are doing this kind of work, and you can look online about it. The times have been changed, and because the times are changed, the years have been changed. And also, this is why our months were changed as well, from 13 months to 12 months. There are so many things that were changed. Cities were built on top of old cities. This was exposed in Paris. There was a flood, and then they found that the buildings were built on top of other buildings, and that's everywhere in the world. And we have the same structures that are everywhere in the world, which is impossible to happen because they say that we didn't have technology back then. We had way more advanced technology, and they restart everybody. So now we also have to look to the 2030 agenda, which is coming up, which they tell us is a reset. So what is going to happen? The same thing is happening now with the Maui fires. If you look at it, it didn't make sense that the buildings would burn in that way, or some trees didn't burn, but the buildings did burn. You can see this is some type of energy weapon. We also have an eclipse that's going to be happening on February 17th. This is completely visible in Concordia, Antarctica, which is where they say they have the energy weapons installed. They also say that this is why wars are created. Look in the Middle East, which has some of the most oldest architecture as well. It's an excuse to destroy the history and restart. Because if they can control our technology and what we know, our knowledge, then they can control us and the timeline. So they have all the advanced technology, and they just decide when to put it out, and then they create some kind of actor to say that he is the one that actually created this invention, which it isn't true at all. So it's something to think about how a reset is happening, especially when you look at the US right now. You have Trump, who's changing the entire White House and putting up plaques saying he was the greatest president ever, which we know this isn't true. And so they can easily change the timeline, and they're doing it right now. So it's something to think about when we think about Saturn and Neptune. So that's just a little bit about Saturn-Neptune conjunction. I thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you, and I'll see you in the next one.